Hello traders and welcome to WMoption's London Session Daily Market Review for Tuesday, March the 15th. Starting it off with US markets. US stock indexes traded narrowly mixed yesterday as investors shook off declines in crude oil prices. The US dollar appreciated yesterday but is edging lower today as uncertainty surrounds this week's Federal Reserve meetings and interest rate decision. Canadian dollar futures are declining along with crude oil futures. Moving on to Asian markets. Major stock indexes in China and Japan sagged today as energy shares wavered and traders are paying close attention to upcoming US Fed meetings. Japanese yen futures are gaining against most other major currencies as today's Bank of Japan's press conference revealed no change in monetary policy for now. New Zealand dollar futures are down sharply against the US dollar as China is looking to devalue its currency, and that's putting pressure on the Kiwi. And in European markets, major European stock indexes rose yesterday and were led higher by mining and car maker shares. European index futures are up today. Euro and British pound futures are consolidating ahead of tomorrow's Federal Reserve interest rate decision and meeting. In commodities highlights, crude oil prices moved lower yesterday and are continuing the same trend today as major oil producers have been hedging against major price volatility. Gold prices are trading in the red today as investors eye tomorrow's Fed rate announcement. And here are today's important economic events. At 12:30 p.m. GMT, US monthly retail sales and core retail sales data is due out. This data measures the change in value of sales at the retail level and is a major gauge of consumer spending. Economists expect to see readings of minus 0.1% and minus 0.2%. Also due out at 12:30 p.m. is a US producer price index reading which measures the change in price of goods sold by producers. It's a leading indicator of consumer inflation and is expected to come in at minus 0.2%. And tentative for today is New Zealand's global dairy trade reading. This measures the change in average price of dairy products sold at auction. Since dairy trade makes up a large portion of New Zealand's economy, this reading has a high market impact. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review from WM Options. Have a happy and profitable trading day.